In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform a Google map into an AutoCAD location plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, start by collecting coordinates from Google Maps or Google Earth. Zoom to the point you want to use as a reference, then right-click and copy the coordinates. You can work with latitude and longitude in decimal degrees, or if your project needs projected values, copy easting and northing if that option is available. Be aware of the order. Most tools list latitude first, then longitude. If you need higher precision, pick a clearly defined spot, like a road intersection or the corner of a building. Keep a note of the coordinate format you copied because you'll need to paste the same format into AutoCAD. Next, bring that location into AutoCAD using the geographic location tools. In recent versions, you can type GEO and open the location dialog, or use the geographic location command from the ribbon. Paste the coordinates you copied into the appropriate fields and confirm. AutoCAD accepts several coordinate formats, including decimal degrees and degrees, minutes, seconds. But it's important that the coordinate system and units in your drawing match the coordinates you've provided. If your project requires a specific coordinate system, set that in the location settings so your drawing is correctly geo-referenced. After pasting the coordinates, verify the pin drops where you expect on the map preview. If it looks off, double-check the order of latitude and longitude and the chosen coordinate system. Once the drawing is geo-located, you can import imagery or trace features. AutoCAD will let you pull satellite imagery from the default Bing service. Or, you can bring in a geo-referenced image. Place the imagery beneath your drawing, lock that layer, and create new layers for tracing. Use snapping and object snaps to trace accurately, drawing polylines for roads, parcels, and building outlines. Keep the imagery layer non-printing or assign it to a separate layer you can toggle off when plotting. Remember that satellite imagery can be slightly out of date or distorted, so where accuracy is critical, verify dimensions with surveyed points or official spatial data. To finish, save your drawing with the geolocation intact so coordinates remain attached to the file. This makes sharing and further work in GIS or other CAD files much simpler. With these steps, you'll have a reliable geo-referenced base to add your design work accurately on top of real-world imagery.